Hello guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be reviewing the last totw set of players and the new Star Pass players. First, let's check the Star Pass players. Let this load, and they were very bad internet for some reason. So first is Blade. His shooting, it's kind of a problem, but like his pace is good, and his dribbling is. I would suggest you if you're a starter because he's going to be really cheap. So yeah, he has 119 pace, 104 shooting, 96 passing, 111 agility. But maybe the physicality is a downside a little bit. But yeah, his shooting stats are like okayish, but not the best, you can say. Then comes Gotze, who has counter. I actually wished he had long shots because I like long shots more. But he's also a really good card. Has got good physicality, 105 pace, 108 shooting, 111 passing, 110 agility. Maybe he's a little bit slow, but not really slow. His vision is good, so he can make good chances, and his passing is also really good. Yeah, and he's also got really good work rates. Also, Blade got good work rates. He's got finesse shot, flair, and playmaker. Wait a minute, which ones does the Blade have? He has a high-low, which is actually really good because he doesn't have good defending stats, so he doesn't have to come back to defense, and he stays more in attack, and he got finesse shot and fair. Now, the 95 Koulibaly. I was wishing he had holding, but I'm not sure because I really want to get him, but because of his boost and his chemistry links. And I'm also desperate for a center back with power header. But if you can find, if you know center back with power header that's maybe under, let's say, 7 million, because I'll sell Rudiger then, or under maybe 4 million if I get coins. Yeah. So those are the Star Pass pair, and then the team of the week, last week players. Also, some of them are good, but I thought all of the players would at least be elites. Mendy is good. It's good. I'd also suggest him for beginners if you can afford him. And also this Caddy Sawyer guy. He lacks shooting maybe, and his volleying is not that good. But he is fast. Then Conti, I wouldn't suggest you him. Doesn't really have any good defending stats. Exaha, also wouldn't really suggest you it. It's got bad skill boost. Daisha would suggest for beginners. It's got really good stats for an 85 with holding, but maybe his pace is the downside. Also got good work rates. Wait a minute, let's see Mendy's work rates quickly. Yeah, he got some meh work rate. He's okay. He's got a good work rate. And Conti, okay, he has an okay work rate. Can't say the best. And Exaha, not that good work rate. Then for Arenas, I have him upgraded to 12 with the skill boost, but he looks really good. Also suggested for beginners if you have this boost a lot. Gutierrez, okay, he's okay. Dabur, he has acceleration, yeah, but his work rates aren't that good. Medium low, low and high low. Then we have Decamarongo, who has really good shooting, not that great pace, and also, yeah, he could be like good head-to-head player, head-to-head beast, cheap beast. Say because he has 103 header and power header. We just need to see his height on FIFA Renders. Wait a minute, let me see his height in FIFA Renders after the Bloom is really fast. And it's got good shot power for a player with counter. I'd suggest to you if you have a lot of training XP and read. Okay, he has really good defending stats and physicalities. So wait a minute, let me just quickly see Decamarongo's height, and then I'll tell you if he's really ahead. Oh wait a minute, forgot to pause it. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah. So like I'm seeing his height and he's 6'1". So yeah, he might be good for head to head actually. Wait a minute. Yeah, he's really good for head to head. He's got 6.1 power header and also really good heading stats. So yeah. Also remember to tell me in the comments to give me like a good suggestion for any good center back with power header for under 7 million. So yeah, I think that'll end the video and bye.